Okay. We're gonna go to shaded. It's also gonna be interesting to see if there are any new or different passages. Ah, come on, Dreki. I'm always one short. There we go. Okay, dude. There we go. Come on. Come on, Blue. You know you want to dabba-dee dabba-die. Okay. There we go. Just gotta do a little backflip. Okay. What are you gonna do, Pink? Huh? What you gonna do? You gonna try and bite me? You want a taste of this delicious, succulent scug flesh? Well, you can't afford it. I'm premium. I mean, Watcher is basically dark meat. You know. We'll just... There you go. Right in the butt. No! You snapped my neck. Well, that's embarrassing. Try this again. Oh, great. The cycle's even shorter. Okay, well, we got the chain wall pounce. First try this time. No, 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 no! Fucker took my spear. Damn it! I needed that spear. That's how I stab things. Guess I'll have to console myself with this rock. Of course the fucking pink lizards are over there. Hey y'all, are y'all gonna knock each other off the wall? Okay, we got our karma back, or karma reinforcement. Hey, buddy. Just going that way. Cool, 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 cool. I'm just gonna eat these blue fruit. Don't mind me. Watcher is going to be a fantastic viewing experience in Shaded Citadel. Nothing like a dark slug cat on a dark screen for visibility. Am I right, chat? Okay, just in case, we're gonna rest here. Also because we have a very short cycle, and I want to roll another one. Survey says... Still kind of short, but longer than the last one. Okay. Is Shaded Citadel going to be different? Is the question. Ooh. Nice, nice. You gotta practice those crawl turn wall climbs. Okay, okay. On to the new world! The Shaded of Citadels. Ah! Watcher disabled fast roll mod. I mean, I don't know if it works. I disabled all my mods. And then there was a lot of stuff that was going on for it actually being available, and I just didn't check to re-enable it. So, I'm just gonna full send it, and we're just gonna play without fast roll mod. As much as it's tripping me up as I constantly try and do it. Hey, Shaded doesn't look... We have not seen a single scaredy mouse. Where are all the lantern mice? Huh? There's like 50 billion lantern mice spawns. Okay, they're still here. Become Shark! Shark-sided, why did you take the lantern mice? Alright, chat, I need y'all to go over and retrieve the lantern mice from Shark-sided over there. Alright? They probably took them to Voices of the Void. All those Glorbos kidnapping all of those adorable lantern mice and eating it? You monster! I mean, that's fair. I mean, lantern mice have two uses: to be afraid and to be eaten. Is this what y'all like? Just like few tiny pixels on an otherwise entirely black screen? This peak Twitch experience? Is that working? Flashing lights heads up in 3, 2, 1. Flashing lights is done. Wanted it to get rid of spiders. Scavenger, finally. Hey, buddy. Buddy, I need you to come down here so I can give you this rock, this pearl. He is really, really spiky. That is a really spiky scavenger. Pretty blue eyes, though. But Shark, I hope you're doing well tonight. Tonight? This morning. I still forget. Like, I have started the stream way earlier than usual, so I can get in on the ground floor. All right, let's eat some delicious floor moss. Now remember, don't wash your floor moss, all right? The dirt adds flavor, okay? And you get all the nutrients and minerals from the ground. Okay, we're not seeing much different in here. Maybe I should have checked the upper path. Maybe the upper path would be different. I don't really ever go up there. But I think that might be why there weren't any of the spawns. No lily pucks. Also fireflies. This room is empty. Why is this room empty? There should be lantern mice here. I'm wondering... Okay, we've got to check... Okay, once I get to the save point, I need to check the upper area. I feel like maybe something fucky-wucky's going on up there. Oh, look, it's a lantern mouse. We have a cuddle buddy tonight in this shelter. Aww. Eepy little skug. Okay. We're gonna prime the Echo? I'm not going to visit it, though. I kind of want to wait until we have the mark of communication so we can get Echo dialogue. Oh man, this is really testing my memory of these rooms. I don't know if it's easier or harder for y'all to see things, but it's very hard for me to see shit. We go left, down, up. Ooh, that ambiance. Oh! Look, it's too stupid to even pay it. What the fuck? You excrete little thing. Yes, you do. Yes, you do excrete. All those little minerals you work so hard for. Right back into the soil. As will you. What a waste. What a joke. What is this Majora's Mask fucking smiling kid ass Echo? What the fuck is that? Our karma didn't increase. Okay, never mind. Huh? What? Wait, what? What? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Hey chat, I think something fucky is going on with Watcher. Just maybe a hint. We're back in hydroponics and the purple rot has spread? Hold on. We need to go back and check. Well, so much for checking the upper area of shaded. Okay, so there's a scavenger here. No! I missed the fucking jump. Fucking squid cicada. I blame this on you. This is all your fault. Stop it. Leave me alone. Yeah, I hope you have a good time foraging, Shark. Thanks for stopping on by. What happens if we perish, though? Delicious, delicious noodle flies. Nom, 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 nom. What happens if we perish? Are we just still reset? There's a lot more scavengers here now. We still have our karma reinforcement. Okay, looks like they're not enemies. We at least have neutral-ish rep, it seems. How long is the cycle? All right, we still got a while. Ah! Blizzard! Okay, let's go all the way back to start. That echo was so different. Why was the rot in that room? Leave me alone! Okay, okay. We're doing good, we're doing good. Just keep running, just keep scugging there. Just keep scugging, don't take my spear, fuck you garbage worms. Can't believe you've done that. Ah, King Vulture! Shit, shit! So weird that we don't have any music though. Rain World has such good music. Like, don't get me wrong, the ambiance is nice, but I want the music. Okay, we need to go through here. Go up. Up and up and a left. Hey, will garbage waste? Oh, there's a cyan. Hey, buddy. Hey, fucker. Wait, that vulture doesn't have a mask. Huh? What are you blaming me for, buddy? I didn't knock your mask off. That was someone else. Why is there a... Why is the one I killed... How did it get up there? That's so weird. Wait, what? What is this? Like, goopy. Why is the industrial waste darkening? Fucking really, dude? And a pink lizard? How did a pink lizard get here? I'm so confused. I need all of you to fuck off kindly. Thank you. Okay. Was that a secret den? What is the particles in the air? What is this shit? Okay. Getting rid of you. Okay, I can't go down there. I've lost my spear. Oh no! It's trapped inside of the lizard. This doesn't look good. It's still the industrial complex, though. Why is it purple? I think next cycle we try to eat from the purple popcorn. I bet it's grape flavored popcorn. I don't know. Would grape flavored popcorn be any good? Oh, I just realized one of my screen lizards is not animating. Why are you paused, buddy? What happened? Nothing a little off and on can't fix. All right, very short cycle. Don't like that. Let's see if we can eat some grape popcorn. Love the fact it's pulsating. You know, that's what I love to see in my popcorn, is just a nice pulsation. You know, it really lets me know that it's got all the nutrients a living being needs because it's able to breathe. You know, popcorn, noted for its circulatory system. I mean, the fact that we're collapsing means it must be okay, right? It's only giving us a quarter. That must mean it's like really delicious, right? We gotta keep eating it. Not like it could kill us, right? Sure, nothing bad could possibly happen from eating the grape popcorn. Ooh. Is it just me, or do we kind of glow now? That happened after we ate the popcorn or before, and I didn't notice? Okay, what if I look up? Industrial is starting to look very strange, chat. Very, very strange. That's just a king vulture. Of course there's a king vulture here. I also need to pay attention to the cycle number, because we were on like cycle 8 or so, 7 or 8, and then we got to the echo. Okay, sleep screen doesn't look any different. We didn't get any pips towards the pilgrim passage. I also forgot to check. Okay, cycle number 9. Nothing too zany there, it looks like. Let's check the garbage wastes again. Is that a grape? It is. Okay, so some of our food is becoming corrupted. Oh, that's a spiky pink lizard. Damn! It has got the frills, baby. Where are you going, green? Okay. Okay. Garbage waste is still verboten. Noted. What if I check shaded now? Hey, Cyan. Buddy, pal, friend. Also, I wonder if creatures would eat corrupted food and if that does anything to them. Also, I feel like there's starting to get more and more enemy spawns. Starting to get harder. Oh, I should check if the pearl is still in my stomach. Okay, we still have the blue pearl in our stomach. That's a weird thing that's growing. Now I'm wondering if it's like whatever echo you get changes that region, or if it's a sequential process. All right, no change up there. Get this blue lizard juked. Get juked, nerd. Okay, still got a red lizard, of course. That square is starting to look circular, so that's cool. Get fucked, nerd. Oh, I'm starting to hear some of the threat music. I think I know why I can't hear any music. Oh my god, Dreki, you're so dumb. Hold on. Let me check something once we get to, once we saved. Hey, monk progress. I have the music really fucking low. Fuck! Dreki, you've been missing out on all the awesome Rain World music, you fool! You absolute buffoon! Well, I guess we gotta restart the game. All right. I guess let's go to Shaded again. And take the upper path and see if that's any different. There we go. There we go. Pop that corn. Pop that corn. Eat that corn. King Vulture's trying to kill me. Go away. That industrial threat music, baby. Get away! Okay, you know what? We have our food. That is a maskless vulture. I wonder if vultures can just spawn without masks. Or if that's still the same one that somehow lost their mask forever ago. Alright, vengeance against the pink lizard. Doing good, doing good. Ah! Eat our blueberries. Yummy. They got all the vitamins that a slug cat could possibly need. What is a pink lizard doing up there? You don't go up there, silly goober. Okay, we're gonna save before entering once again, just in case things are really scrunklified. I don't want to accidentally dead end ourselves. I wonder... I wonder if we get in all the echoes if... Like, if each time we get an echo, hydroponics changes, and eventually we can go left from hydroponics to someplace. Okay. Ooh, okay, so we are enlightened. But is it after visiting the echo or from eating the grape popcorn? This will make traveling back through shaded. Oh! Hey! Okay, so we got Pebbles' overseer. I don't know if they actually have a formal name. Okay, so at least Pebbles has an eye on us now. Still nothing here. Oh, there's one. Okay. I actually kind of like Shaded's music. Give me that blueberry, baby. Delicious. Nutritious. Okay. Which will we find up here, perhaps? I am killing them for a reason. That reason is a passage. Which is how I'm justifying this. Yeah, we're now friends. Ish. Maybe. Getting some lizard rep, alright? Me and the lizards, we're gonna be homies. Not seeing anything different on this upper path. Is it down here? Goes to there. Okay. And then this one goes to here. Okay. What if each of the echoes gives us an ability? Like, Shaded gives us enlightenment. What is this room? What? What is this room? I don't remember this room. Where is this? Well, shoot. Interesting sounds going on. I think this is a new room. I would like my spear back, please. You get a welcome to hell you're in. Kinda. Ooh. This song is so fascinating. Okay, let's rest here. I was gonna go back to the echo area to see what's going on. See if it showed up again, but I think this is more interesting. I feel like the red lizard in the corner right now. Yeah, it is definitely a mood. And now the question is, how do I go anywhere from this room? I feel like I gotta use that spear. Let me go left. No, that's impossible. Okay, so this is a dead end. This is a dead end. Good to know, Dreki. Okay. Strange. Then I guess we just go right then? Climb up. Grab a new spear. Thank you. Oh, a scavenger. Hey there, bud. No, not down here. I just keep walking right. That's right. Gotta get them passages up, baby. All right, I think we almost have outlawed. Where are we? Interesting. Ooh. All right. Got some jams going on, baby. Oh. Hey there, bud. Please don't kill me. Ah, floor moss. A slug cat staple food. Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. Nutritious. I'm trying to get monk done. And then we can work on hunter. I get the feeling I'm going to want to use passages all over this. Did I hear grapple grub? Where can I go in this room? I can't go right. Is there a place down? No. Place left? Slipped through my alarm. You know what, Iced? It all worked out because there was some bugs and it took like a good 30 minutes or so for everything to shake out. And we go through here. This puts us back on the normal track. Yeah, we're not too far into it. I basically explored all of hydroponics. Tried to go to garbage wastes. Saw that there was grape over there. Ended up going to shaded. Saw the echo. This doesn't look right. The echo did weird things to me. Some of the popcorn plants became grape flavored. I ate them. I became enlightened. I'm not sure if I became enlightened because I saw the shaded echo or if it's because I ate the grapes. Either way, these coal escapedes need to fuck off. Also, the background is looking kinda sus. Shaded's looking very broken down. All right, this is, I feel like, another point in possibly after Rivulet. Shaded's not looking so good. Yeah, we are going to save. Okay, and I think that should be Renegade. Or Outlaw. Okay, so now I just need to eat vegetables and not do violence for a while. I'm gonna take a quick break. So sorry guys, you just got here. But I need to refresh myself. We've been going for a little bit. So if you've been sitting here for a while, this is your call to stand up, wiggle around a bit, leave a piss, take a water, grab some more popcorn, or whatever snacks you get, you know, make sure it's like grape flavored. You know, it's got a bit of that, you know, that blighty tinge. You know, that icky feeling you get. Don't worry about it. Don't think about it. It's working as intended. Just keep eating it. It's fine. Everything will be fine.